Maraming salamat sa ating mga casters. Hindi ko alam bakit taas ng enerhiya po natin ngayon sa San Juan Arena. Kasama natin ngayon, the recent game MVP, Sanford. Congratulations on your grand finals and finally qualifying to EWC. Kumusta ka naman? Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Sobrang saya kasi ang una, nahirapan kami rebuild to team pero kinaya namin mag-qualify sa grand final.
And I think, sorry yan, dito pala ako. I think it's time for us to talk about this last clash. Ano yung nangyayari kasi natambakan kayo kanina early on in game number 4. So let's play this for quite a bit. You knew that the approach was there. Pero ano yung ginawa ninyo para mapalagan yun? What was the comms like?
That time, sabi kasi sobrang lagi na namin sa macro so kailangan namin lumaban. Nung nakita namin na medyo nagbuhos na sila ng skill, doon ko nakita yung opening na pwede akong pumasok. So feel ko sinuwerte din ako na nagkumpul-kumpul sila.
Nagkumpul, nag-line up in the words of Hans nga na literal buong San Juan Arena napatalon ata nung Dark Wave na ginawa dito kanina. So, buong time naman na halatang Onyx din talaga yung nag-lead and in control for majority of the game. Carl, unfortunately, nakita natin siya with a 0-4 stat line.
Right.
How were the comms naman between the team nung nangyayari yun sa inyo?
Medyo magulo na kami. Talagang sumisigaw na lang kami na Paris. So isigaw kami kasi sobrang gusto namin mag-Europe lahat.
And the goal is to go to Paris. This was just an incredible opportunity para sa inyo na makarating doon. Team Liquid Philippines, are you proud of your team? This was just incredible coming out from all of you. Motivation-wise, hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang inyong tournament here in Season 17. You still have a grand finals to go to sa Sunday. How's the approach like looking for you guys and the rest of the team?
As usual po, Season 15, bibigay pa rin namin best namin, pero nakuha na namin yung isang goal, so isang goal na lang para matapos na to season na to.
Okay.
And I think we never got a chance to ask your thanks para sa lahat ng mga nanonood dito ngayon, whether it's for Onyx, whether it's for Liquid. There's so many people who supported you right from the start. Ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
Sobrang thank you sa Kabal rin, syempre sa Sonic, hindi magiging masaya yung series kung wala kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Okay. I might have one last question for Sanford, Hans, if it's okay. Grabe naman. Okay, so I'll keep it pretty simple. So we all know there will still be a lower bracket finals tomorrow between Onyx and Falcons. Kung papipiliin ka, sino ang gusto mong makatapat heading into the grand final?